There you go, guys. Thai-inspired chicken salad spring rolls, peanut dipping sauce, and shallot sauce.
You're gonna need 3 shallots, 1 bunch of cilantro, and around 4 to 5 Thai chilies. You'll need some fish sauce, some spring roll wrappers,
Salads,
just kind of right,
and then along with our Thai chilies, sweet condensed milk. So this is what we're left with: condensed milk, fish sauce, Thai chilies, and shallots. So after I incorporate everything and shredded the chicken, this is kind of what I put the sides, and then continue to roll. Might take some practice, but it's well worth it. I'm gonna tell you. It's gotta be good, and it's healthy for the most part.